First time at this Nike outlet all year. This spot opened 30 minutes ago. Traffic was crazy. What the hell? I'm pretty sure it's my first time this year. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. What was blocking the entire aisle? What the hell is wrong with people? All right, let's look around the back wall. 40% off. Damn it, I should have brought these so I could do a size swap. I do want to check out the aisles actually first because this is one of the stores where they do extended size pricing a lot. No extended size pricing on these. That's crazy low right there, as well as these. Ja2s, that's hella low right there. That's the lowest we've seen those. All right, no extended sizing in the aisles. I did hear that they got some crazy extended size prices in the back wall. These are the deals I'm talking about. Invincible runs right here. I just saw these. They're the all white pair. I threw those back. These might fit me. Size 11 right here. $80, 40% off. So that's 48 bucks. 48 bucks. I have been looking for these. Size 11. If I can find a 10.5, obviously I'll take that. But they also have a size 10. And my pops kind of needs one. My brother-in-law actually wants one too. I don't know if he does all white. So I might have to buy both. God dang it, I'm trying not to buy sneakers. And look at this. God dang it. I'm trying to remember what I bought this weekend. I bought the Koreas. I bought the Alma Manieras, but that's not for me. Yeah, man, look at this, dude. All white. Obviously, I wish I found a 10.5, but size 11, they work. They work. Yeah, all white, super clean, dude. Super clean, so comfortable. 48 bucks. So I might have to grab these. I'm doing what you guys are doing. I did start a new account, so I'll get another 15% off on top. If everybody else is doing it, I'm a schmuck not to do it. F you guys, dude. Whatever. Still searching. I just saw a couple homies over there pick up size 11 Pegasus Plus for effing. Yeah, these size 10.5s go for $80. The size 11s extended size price, they're selling them for 50, an extra 40 off on top. So it's at 30 freaking bucks. Oh, I thought I hit one of the bigger ones. Now that's a size 9. See another Invincible run down here. What's up with this one? Regular price. They should get 40 off. I'm in like the huge size section. There's a size 10 right here. I was hoping for an 11. They got a size 12 of these. It looks like these just made it out the back wall because I see plenty of sizes, or not off the back wall, off the aisles, because I do see a lot. I did make a new Nike account so I can get that extra 50%. You can see the little coupon on the top right there. Looking for some of the extended size price stuff. Not really seeing too much. Calm size going for 40, size 13. Told you guys forever, you need to get here early because all the good stuff goes super quick. These are some of the extended size prices right here. $80 for these. You get an extra 40 off, so 48 bucks. That's a 13. Monk Flow undercovers. These are down to $90. $30 for the Nike. Oh no, I'm sorry. My bad. $80 for these. I was like, 30 bucks? What the hell? All right. One of the workers just brought some, what are these, Alpha Flies? Alpha Fly next percent. Oh, they took the tag off. I was like, what? This generic shoe right here is a extended size price tag. Commandos? What the hell? Infinity Run 4s right here down to $80. Full Force Lows down to 40. Got some Noctas. Noctas right here. What the hell are these? The Zoom Drives. These are definitely interesting. $130 for these. Pegasus 41s down to 50. Heel Shot 2 leathers, $60. Lunar Roam's going for 90. I'm sorry, my bad, dude. I can't see today. $70 for those. That's pretty much everything 11 and above. Did not see the Pegasus Plus. Those are already taken because I got here late, dang it. And they do have these Pegasus Plus in a 10, but the bigger, cheaper size is all gone, dang it. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really tried these on, so I think I'm gonna try it on. They do have a size 10. I'm checking the Zoom X. Look, like the Zoom X on the Invincible runs way more. Looks like there's way more Zoom X. So I'm testing out to see which one's way more comfortable. Yeah, the stack height on the Invincible runs way higher. The Zoom X on here feels good too though. These do feel really good. Maybe a slight difference. There is a little more cushioning on the Invincible runs, but if I could find these for 30, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Way better than the regular Pegasus. Yeah, man. Like if I got these would be the daily trainers, and then these would be the recovery shoes. But they would both be so good for walking. Holy cow, so good for walking.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me.
Try to do a pan so you guys could see the visual differences as well. These look way more sleek, but like I said, you really can't beat these comfort-wise. I think they're saying the Vomero Plus or the Vomero Premiums, those might be the replacement for these, but I'm gonna have to grab as many of these as I can before they're done with them. And of course I can ask to see if they have any other pairs of these, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm already buying these, and I'm already buying one for it's either my pops or my brother-in-law, I don't know which. They both wear size 10, so I don't know. I already bought my pops 2, so maybe I'll give it to my brother-in-law. Yeah, my pops already got 2 of the Invincible runs, so I'll give it to my brother-in-law. And it's all white too, so my dad likes like the weird colors. My brother-in-law likes the mundane colors. Do I need to get one for my kid too? I do want to get him to start running. That white just doesn't work for him though. He destroys his sneakers because he doesn't really care. That white will get destroyed, but that price though, can I beat that price? Can I beat that price? I don't think I can, because with that 50% off, it comes down to what, $41 or something? Thinking about it. So 40% off clearance shoes, but 30% off clearance apparel. And I do see Tech Fleece Extra Orange, $80, 30% off. So that's actually pretty comparable to 40% off, because when it was 40% off, these were all 95, right? These were all 95. That is hella orange though. Look, they got, okay, they got 2 shades of orange. This, I don't know if it comes out on camera. This one and this one are noticeably different. It's like more of a peach. That's more of a straight orange. Yeah, man. I don't think it shows up on camera though. Holy crap. Both of them were the same price, $80, 30% off. $45 for this pink one right here. They have multiple sizes of most of this stuff. $50 for these. These are just huge sizes. Oh no, but they got a small right here. Definitely getting rid of all their winter gear. $45 for these. This extra bright turquoise or aqua, going for $50 or $59.99. Got it in a mint colorway right here, going for $60. Tech Fleece pullover right here. Okay, this one's not Tech Fleece, that's $100. This one is Tech Fleece, this one is $105. This is a new rack right here. Of course, sizing definitely an issue. They're not gonna have every size, but most of the stuff they got a decent amount. This is super heavy duty. When I say their heaviest duty one, $71. Normally $100 retail. $34 off this one. Lightweight hoodie with flowers on the back. What the hell? Mamba jacket right here, $60 for this Mamba jacket. It's super lightweight though. Super lightweight. I don't know about the quality, but yeah, still $60. You get 30 off on top. So does that come out to what, $42? Nike running long sleeve zip ups, $48. Got LeBron t-shirts. This is just 2 of the racks. What's the price on these? Oh, okay. $20 for this one. White hoodie in a medium. $45 for that one. All right, we're in the really small sizes in the back wall now. 7.5 men's, $80 for the Pegasus Plus, which is still a solid price, but getting them at $50, that's just crazy. You can get them and do a size swap somewhere else if you can find them too. Vomero 5s go for $140. Kill Shot 2 leathers go for $85. There's LeBron Next Gens down here, $120. Ton of these Jordan Access, $50, size 9.5, size 9. They got oh, these are all 8.5s and 9.5s. Tatum 3s, $100. Double Bubble Air Max 90s, $120. Infinity Run 4s, $100. The LeBron Next Gens, we saw these extended size price of what, 80 bucks, something like that. 135 here. I don't think that's right. So it says 90 for these. I think it was what, 80 over there. So a little bit cheaper extended sizes. Let's go over extended size pricing real quick. I haven't explained that in a while. Most of the times with the general public, the bigger sizes usually sell a lot slower. I think a majority of the people are size 8 to size 10 and a half. So size 12, 13, 14, a lot of times they do reduce the price on those, and they just call it extended size pricing. You see those gray tags, that usually means extended size pricing. Oh, I don't think I saw this one earlier. Witness 7s go for $60. Yeah, we saw these go for 90 over there in the smaller size, right? So every once in a blue moon, it'll be size 13 and up. That's extended size price. Sometimes it'll go down to 12. Sometimes it'll go down to 11. And I've even seen 10 and a halves being extended size price. Like I've mentioned numerous times, it's all inventory management. It all depends on what they have in the back. And the stuff that is extended size price, it's usually stuff that's been here for quite some time. I'm in the smaller sizes. These are what, Vomero 5s, $90. That's 11.5. Those are what, 139 before in the bigger sizes. And then I did find a Pegasus Plus right here. Look at this, $50 for these, which means what, $30 after the 40% off? Holy crap. Holy crap, man. These are pretty big. I could grab them and try to size swap them. $30 freaking dollars. Actually, it'll be less than 30 because I'm gonna use that 15% off coupon. Holy crap, they're big though, dude. Because even the size 10 fits me. But damn, dude, these ain't bad for $30. And I'm thinking of grabbing one for my kid as well as one for me, one for my brother-in-law. So all this, let me do the math. All right, I'm gonna pass on these. I keep saying I need to buy less. I need to be smart. I'm gonna put these back because I'll already have a couple pairs of the Invincible Run. So am I really gonna wear these too? Probably not. All right, let's go check the aisles. Trying to keep track of how long the video is. I have no clue. LeBron Next Gens right here. Got Witnesses. Tatum 2s. Do got Max R's and a bunch of other non-signatures. Got a couple of mids. That's a hell of a price on these. Some SE. Got some lows. Book 1s. I think these are the Sedona pair, right? These are the Ja 2s. That are what, like $34 or something? $33? $33 for Ja 2s. That is just crazy. Most sizes gone. They got a couple size 7s. Couple size 9s, 13s. Immortality 2s. Got some 3s. Showed these earlier. Zoom Freak 6s. I think these might be the lowest we've seen those. Got some Dunks. Oh, these were the Noctas that I saw earlier. What the hell? Oh, this is a Nocta as well. These are awful looking. Look at the price. Holy crap. Got Pegasus 2005s. Got quite a few of those. Flight Legacies. Black and Hyper Blue. Got some Blazer mids, Heritage Volts, Vomero 5s, and do I see 10 and a halves? I do see 10 and a half. Dang it, I should have brought mine. Should have left it in the car. Dope. Oh well. Air Max 90s. I have them sitting in front of my front door so I wouldn't forget it. And then I forgot it. Air Max 90s and all white. Got white particle gray. Some of these color codes are interesting. White University Red. Couple of the Luna Roams. Couple of the P6000s. That's definitely a solid price. Oh wait, we got a third one right here. Air Max 2017s and 270s right here. They got a little so-called heat wall right here. I just see this as they're trying to be cheap and not give discounts. That's a huge size right there for women's. And then their running section right here. Look at this one right here. That's a pretty solid deal. Pegasus 41s was at $48 after discount, as well as this one right here. They do have Metcon 8s right here, so free Metcon 6s and 5s. They got quite a few of those. That's probably the best price we've seen. They have more and more clearance apparel, but I need to check upstairs before I head out. Upstairs section right here. Got kids on the right, women on the left. Checking out the women's clearance section back here. These Cortez, kind of cool, but regular price though, dang it. And regular price 40% off, not bad, but some of the deals we're finding, nah, we gotta stick to the crazy discounts. Not like that. Wait, maybe it's different. Yeah, 70% off. Yeah, see, not bad. $70, and then you get another 40% off because these retail for $90, I believe. Huge section right here, 11 and above. Seeing if they have any Jordans or any Invincible runs. Nah. They got these 6s right here. These are size 9, 115. Get another 40 off. Seeing extended size prices in the women's as well, 10 and above. These Freemancon 6s, $70. You get another 40 off? I don't know why I can't talk all of a sudden. Infinity Run 3s right here, go for $80. Seeing if they have any really good deals on running shoes for somebody. These ain't bad, but I'm looking for the Invincible runs because those are better deals. $130 for these. Not seeing any crazy deals. $65 for the kill shots. They also got them in black. Checking the house, they got blazers. The omnipresent 270s, and look, regular freaking price. Got a couple of dunks. And by a couple of dunks, I mean 6 different dunks. They're all going for 80 and above though. Forces. What is this? Court vintage, what the heck? And then running shoes, nothing crazy in the women's section. All right, let's go pay for these 3 pairs. Getting the hell out of here. I just saw the new member coupon. It's 50% off a $100 purchase. So I'm glad I'm getting 3 because this wouldn't even be $100 with just 2 of them. That works out good. Yeah. Came out to what, $135? $135, and that's after tax. So it came out to like 120 something. This would have cost $540, I believe, retail, because they're all $180 each. Holy crap. That's why we be messing with the outlets, man. Damn. We're back at the Foot Locker outlet. Really can't beat the prices here. And if you guys are OG sneakerheads, are you effing serious? All right, apparently they got a ton of basketball shorts for $10. This right here, this really caught my eye. These are the Bondi 8s. Look at this. This is a size 10. I saw this earlier. Are you effing serious? Man, I can't believe they got these here. What the